Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. Is Ongentys better than Comtan? Ongentys is taken once daily, while Comtan needs to be taken up to 8 times a day. Ongentys is better at preventing early morning off symptoms than Comtan. Patients treated with Ongentys take less time than those treated with Comtan to achieve onstatus following their first dose of levodopa in the morning. Ongentys is better than Comtan across a range of measures in people with Parkinson's disease who have recently started experiencing fluctuating motor symptoms. Ongentys, opicapone, and Comtan, entacapone, are both catecholOmethyltransferase, COMT, inhibitors used to help people with Parkinson's disease who are experiencing off episodes, periods of time when their symptoms recur, while being treated with levodopa/carbidopa. According to the results of clinical trials, Ongentys is better than Comtan. Results from the phase III BIPARK 1 trial showed that Ongentys was non-inferior to Comtan in terms of reducing time spent in an off state. Ongentys, however, only needed to be taken once daily at bedtime, compared with Comtran, which needs to be taken up to 8 times a day alongside levodopa. The simplified dosing regimen of Ongentys enables doctors to more easily tailor existing daily levodopa regimens to better suit the needs of the patient. Ongentys is also better at preventing early morning off symptoms compared with Comtan. More patients with Parkinson's disease treated with Ongentys woke up in an onstatus compared with patients treated with Comtan, according to further analysis of data from the BIPARK 1 trial. Patients treated with Ongentys also had a greater decrease in the time it took to achieve onstatus following their first dose of levodopa in the morning, compared with patients treated with Comtan. In a separate analysis, treatment with Ongentys also provided added benefit over that seen with Comtan in people with Parkinson's disease who had recently started experiencing motor fluctuations. Treatment with Ongentys resulted in greater offtime reductions, -124 minutes versus -81.1 minutes, and ontime increases, +131.2 minutes versus +85.5 minutes, compared with Comtan treatment. A higher proportion of patients treated with Ongentys were also considered to be offtime responders, 66% versus 57.8%, and ontime responders, 66% versus 51.1%, compared with patients treated with Comtan. Results from the Clinical Global Impression of Change, CGIC, 74% versus 51.1%, and Patient Global Impression of Change, PGIC, 74% versus 51.1%, survey tools also showed a higher proportion of patients improved while on Ongentys compared with Comtan. Related questions: when is the best time to take Ongentys? How long does it take for Ongentys to work? What is Gocovri used to treat? RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.